today on 15 on 15.
A speculated illegal plane crashed into Aruba's waters on early Thursday morning. Plus, we check out Super Bowl commercials to gear up for the big day. And we have a great place for you to watch the Super Bowl this Sunday. Sidebar is a new venue with a unique twist. Thank you for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. On early Thursday morning, witnesses say a large ball of fire in the sky, which was later confirmed a plane, exploded in Aruba's air. At approximately 6:30 a.m. on Thursday, authorities of Aruba and Curacao confirmed the explosion seen in the sky was a plane. It is speculated by authorities that an illegal plane was flying by Aruba's waters en route to Venezuela. The aircraft did not have authorization in Aruba's or Venezuela's airspace. 2 16 military planes were following the suspicious aircraft. Curacao authorities notified Aruba of the situation and informed them they had no contact with this plane. The Minister of Justice, Arthur Dowers, confirmed there are human remains in Aruba's waters. There has been mentionings that the plane was shot down or sabotage took place, but these are unconfirmed reports. The island's prosecutor's office is taking over the case due to it being within our jurisdiction. The Coast Guard and Maritime Police are investigating the waters of Aruba for further information. Speaking of Coast Guards, they have big responsibilities when it comes to patrolling and monitoring Aruba's waters. Let's learn more. In order to properly secure Aruba's waters and perform their duties, the Coast Guards require equipment and ships. Coast Guards have a list of priorities they must adhere to.
Our job consists mainly of controls about drug smuggling, illegal arms transport. We also do counter human smuggling. We also have a big task of search and rescue operations, and that's where we use most of our assets in.
When an emergency occurs on water, the Coast Guards are called to act. Responding quickly to calls, whether small or big, is part of their job.
We tackle them within the hour, and those calls they're never heard about because they are very quick resolved. You know, like sometimes we get distress calls from the high-rise area, like a kite surfer or a windsurfer getting lost at sea. We tackle that. Sometimes fishermen, they get in trouble with their boats.
When a serious emergency occurs, the Coast Guards are well prepared with equipment ready to be launched into service.
Every now and then, when the search and rescue, distress call, when the search and rescue gets bigger, we have to deploy our bigger assets like this one, the Panther we have, and also we use our air assets, which we have two Dash 8 airplanes and also 2 helicopters, which we use also for search and rescue operations.
We will have more on Aruba's open waters on the next edition of the show. In other local news, the Social Dialogue celebrated 5 years of existence. Members of the platform came together to reflect on the progress they've been able to make during this time, as well as what changes should be made going forward. Stakeholders part of the Social Dialogue came together this week to reflect on 5 years of deliberation, but more importantly, what has been accomplished through the meetings.
It's more than just meeting and talking. It's actually implementing. And as the Prime Minister said, there have been quite a high level of implementation. There have been some areas that, tax changes, for example, that we're still waiting to be implemented. Areas like the electricity, the different way of charging the hotels that we were promised, that Elmar was supposed to implement, hasn't implemented, but that's got nothing to do with the process itself. It's just the follow-up on the process.
Mr. Heppel details what the plans with the platform are.
What is happening now is the Prime Minister has responded to basically input from all of the three partners, whether it's the government, the unions, and the employers. And we've agreed after 5 years we need to step back and look at the whole process and evaluate it. And that's what's going to happen now. As the PM said, we can always do it better. We can always be improving how we conduct the process. And it's only 5 years old, so clearly it's always going to grow and evolve. So at this particular time, we're going to step back and see how we can make it better, which is good.
On that note, we will be right back. Stay with us. Forget sex sells, puppies are getting all the attention when it comes to this year's Super Bowl ads. Thank you for staying tuned. You are watching 15 on 15. This Sunday is a big day for football fans. Super Bowl is a highly anticipated sporting event for mostly Americans, but what both men and women from every culture can enjoy are the clever commercials put on by advertisers. For more than $1 million per every 30 seconds, the commercials have got to be good. You be the judge of whether or not this one is creative.
I'm in the mood for love, simply because you're near me. Funny, but when you're near me, I'm in the mood for love.
Sex sells. We've heard that before, but isn't it getting old? That's why one beer company knows that there is one thing that sells better than sex, and that is puppies.
Welcome home, buddy.
You and me, we were made for love. A lifetime is not long enough to show you what you mean to me. Ooh, I'll be waiting here for you when you come home to me.
I'll see you later, buddy. I'm sorry. I decided I shouldn't drive home last night. I stayed at Dave.
When you come on.
I'm back. I'm back.
Drink responsibly is a great message for the Super Bowl, but as well as for the carnival season here in Aruba. So of course there are many elements advertisers use in their commercials. We just showed you the sexy aspect, you just saw the cute aspect, then there's celebrities making fun of themselves.
Hi, I'm Kim. Each month, millions of gigs of unused data are taken back by wireless companies. Tragic. Data you paid for that could be used to see my makeup, my backhand, my outfits, my vacations, and my outfits. Sadly, all lost. Please, help save the data.
The models are gorgeous. Kim is somewhat funny, but I think my favorite Super Bowl commercial out of those three is still the one with the puppy. Super Bowl happens Sunday. Take part in the big game and enjoy it. Coming up after the break, I've got a great place where you can catch the game over some cold draft beers. Here is a sneak peek now. When we return, it's all about draft beers, bourbon, and burgers at Sidebar Bistro. Before the break, we showed you a few Super Bowl commercials. You're probably wondering where to catch the rest of the ads and perhaps the big game with the Seattle Seahawks versus the New England Patriots. How about a few big screen TVs, cold draft beers, and gourmet burgers? Check out Sidebar. Sidebar recently opened at the Renaissance Marketplace. It is a spacious and modern venue. The setting is suitable for business meetings, casual dine-ins, and even sporting events.
The concept is to serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a nice time for everybody. So we have a lot of different things. We have another nice space. We have the outside terrace, the inside booths. We have a nice bar area, so we want to offer something for everybody. Families, business, anyone can find something nice with us.
Sidebar has a special draft beer system where the temperature of the beverage is always consistent and maintained at high quality. Also on the menu are their generous specialty burgers served with crispy fries and delicious sauces.
So we have a special beer draft system. Our beers are very cold. We have 6 different beers from the draft, which is very nice and unique for Aruba. And our main item on the menu is a gourmet burger. We have a special blend of Angus steak. This is very nice. We have different menus with the burgers, different styles. So actually that is the main item, but it's not the only thing that we serve. We have also salads, soups. We have some nice sandwiches, steak, fish. So a little bit of everything, but the main item is the gourmet burgers.
Sidebar features bourbon and burgers. The island can learn more about bourbon right here at Sidebar.
64 different bourbons, which is very special also for the island. In America, it's a main thing. Everybody knows it, but here not so much. So we want to introduce it to the island. We have some really nice bourbon barrel-aged cocktails. Those are prepared in a barrel, so we let them oak for 2 or 4 weeks. And we're gonna do some nice flights in the future with different bourbons and snacks.
Sidebar offers a different feel. With a diversified menu and consistent friendly service by their staff, you can ensure a satisfying visit every time.
I think that we have what is nice in the Sidebar is that it's different than all the restaurants so far. Of course, we have the breakfast, lunch, dinner like a lot of places, but our menu is different. We have different items. The gourmet burgers are really popular. I don't see them on the island so far. And also, of course, the bourbons and the beers that we serve is different. And that together with the televisions, a lot of people come here also to watch sports. We have computer places and plugs for everybody. So I think we have a nice combination of all the different things. So it's nice for everybody to come in.
Sidebar is open every day at 8 a.m. For more information, you can visit their page on Facebook. 15 on 15 airs weeknights at 7:15 p.m., so be sure to watch. We'll see you then.